Hey, adventurers! I have some animals I can't quite figure out the names for. Can you help me? Thank you! I hear one coming up. Let's take a listen. That was an interesting sound. Let's hear it again. It sounds like it's coming from the tree over there. Let's get closer. Do you hear it? What do you think it could be? Did you say an owl? You're right! You are amazing. Thank you for your help. I think I hear another animal. May you please help me? Thank you so much. I feel like I heard this one before, but I just can't remember where. Let's listen closely. Whoa! That just flew right past us. Let's listen so we can hear it again. I think we need to hear that one more time. Do you know what that was? Really? What do you think it is? Did you say a bumblebee? You got it! Thank you! You are so much help. There's another animal around here somewhere. Let's listen for the sound it makes. You think you know what animal that was? Let's have another listen. It's on the tip of my tongue. Do you know the name of this animal? What is it? Wow! A wolf! You got it! You have great listening skills. Thank you for all your help. I really couldn't have done it without you. Come back and help me with more animal sounds. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more fun, interactive videos.